Hi, today we have this Easy MTB brake bleeding kit, and we got this for the price of bleeding your brakes once here in the city that we live. There's maybe 2 or 3 bike repair shops, and going to them is kind of like going to the doctors. You have to get an appointment, and then you have to take the bike down, and then they will tell you to wait a few days and then go after it. So we got this kit and we haven't tried it yet. This is the cheaper version, which is made out of plastic. There's a more expensive one made out of metal, but let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in the box. Here we have some stickers. One of the syringes. The cup, and the plug for the cup,
the holder for multiple adapters. It's good also for hydraulic shocks or drop post seats.
Here's how the holder looks when it's full. They also give you a wrench and some tubing. Rubber bands.
And this is for the brake pads.
These piston blocks are to keep the pistons from protruding the caliper and leaking oil. They also give you rubber gloves and a Torx wrench. We got this kit for 12 euros, but you can probably find it for cheaper. And we will make a video about this when we're going to use it to bleed brakes.